my friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. In the middle of just doing my finishing up for my holiday look. And I'm just going to finish up with my lips and I'll be right with you. Okay, I think I'm ready. I've got my lips done, my eyes. I was using the Sultry palette by Anastasia, and the color that I finished up with on my lids was Teak. And my lip today is Tom Ford, and this is Flame. And it is the Lip Color Satin Matte. It feels wonderful on the lips. And I used the Punch by Laura Mercier as my lip liner. What is today's video all about? Well, first, it is in partnership with Sephora. I was very excited when Sephora contacted me again and wanted to partnership with me. You all know that year-round I shop at Sephora. So for me to talk about what's going on at Sephora or products from Sephora, it's a no-brainer because I absolutely do shop at Sephora year-round. But right now we are heading into the holidays, which means there will be even more deals to take advantage of. So it kicked off on November 20th. Today is November 24th, so I am going to tell you all about today's special deals. It does run until November 26th, so be sure that you're checking out your local Sephora and also online each day until the 26th, because Cyber Week is full of deals. And today's deal is no exception. I know that I get in the holiday spirit right around November 1st. And for me, even during the holidays, it's one for you and one for me. And why not take advantage of the great deals that Sephora has to offer right now? We all know that Cyber Monday is the biggest shopping day of the year. So make sure that you are getting online quick if you don't have your local Sephora, or get to the stores as they open so you can take advantage of the great deals that are going on. This offer is good through the US and Canada. And don't forget, if you're not a Sephora Beauty Inside member, now's the time to do it. But don't worry, if you're not a Beauty Insider member, it doesn't matter. You still can take advantage of all of the Cyber Week deals. Today and every day until November 26th, Sephora is featuring what they're calling their WOW deal. What is a WOW deal? It is a product of the day, deeply discounted by 50%, my friends. One of the products I have used for a year, but I did buy another one because at a deep discount of 50% off, why wouldn't I? And I also tried the other of the products. The first of the WOW deal, which is going on for today, November 24th, is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Now, you all know that I have used this for years, and I do have it on this side of my face. And as you can see, I'm applying it to the right side of my face because I will be applying the other to the left side of my face. So when you're looking at me on this side, you are seeing the Backlight Priming Filter, and then you'll see the other one, which I'm going to tell you in a minute. But anyway, this is gorgeous. As I've mentioned, I've used it for years. It is just a beautiful priming filter. It's a luminous primer, and it has photo filters, and it covers up skin imperfections. It's smoothing. It gives you a long-lasting makeup application, and it blurs and smooths lines. I really like it because as an aging face, I don't like to see glitter chunks, and this has none. It is really a beautiful product. So at 50% off, if this is something you have always been interested in, but the price point was a little out of your league, you might want to take advantage of it now, but it's only a WOW deal for today. Okay, so get online or get into your local Sephora before they sell out. And the second WOW product is also from Becca. It's a very similar product, but it is called the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. So I'm wearing it on this side of my face, and it has cool light effects to it. It evens your skin tone, it hydrates, and it helps your makeup last longer. So for today only, November 24th, you can get either one of these at 50% off. That is unheard of. But because it's Cyber Week and Sephora is in full swing for the holidays, they are offering WOW deals. So that's it for today. Don't forget that Cyber Monday, which is November 26th, there will be lots of exciting things going on. And it is our biggest shopping day of the year. So make sure that you get online early or in store as soon as they open, my friends. That's what I do. I'm at the store the minute they put that key in the door and open it up. I went on the weekend and Louis was doing something else that was very close to the mall. So he said, do you have anything you want to do? I need to go into this area. And I said, well, yeah, you can drop me. I'll run into Sephora. So as soon as they opened the door, there I was. All right. So from today until November 26th, which is Cyber Monday, there will be a wow deal every single day. But on November 26th, which is Cyber Monday, if you spend $45, you get a sample bag with your purchase. And if you spend $90, you get a bag of trial size samples with your purchase. So make sure that every day from today you are checking the website or going into your Sephora to see what wow deals are happening. And if you need a couple of ideas on how to get to that $90 purchase, don't forget about the Sephora Pro brushes. I absolutely love them. I have just about every single one now. This is a really nice brush. It's number 90, which is considered their featherweight blending brush. And I just love it for highlight. And at Christmas time, during the holidays, we are all applying more highlighters. So you might want to consider this brush to help get you to that $90 mark. And of course, all of the other brushes that I have purchased, I have been so happy with. And you know I have because I use them all the time. And this is also a new one. And this is their sculpting blush brush, and I did use it today to apply my blush, and I do like it. It's an angled brush. It has a different cut to it. So a new one for me, and really any of the Sephora brushes are great. The Sultry palette by Anastasia. I mean, for the holidays, this is just so perfect. If you look at the glow in the center of my eye, it was that. And if you need a beautiful red for the holidays, this is a nice red because it's not too red. It actually has a little bit of peach pinky undertone to it. Would be the Tom Ford Lip Color Satin Matte. And you know I'm not a matte lipstick lover, but this one I don't really feel is aging the mouth. And again, it's the Lip Color Satin Matte from Tom Ford, and it is Flame. So that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be watching out for all these wow deals. And I also want to thank Sephora for partnering with me again. Don't forget, today's wow deal is Becca, and it is their Backlight Priming Filter, or Becca's First Light Priming Filter. One gives you a luminous glow, and the other is a little bit more hydrating, but I think both give you a beautiful glow on the skin without any sparkle. So thanks for stopping by, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe. We are living life here. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable.